Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Audi Q5. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Audi prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.